Hello everyone. I am starting my birthday collection, which I have not posted on this page because I just don't really post on my YouTube page, which I need to start doing. So here I am posting here because I mostly post on TikTok. So I kind of already made the base of the dress. I already did the pattern sheet. This dress is basically done except for the top piece and just cleaning up some raw edges from the inside, the lining, and then adding my embellishments. I'm creating like I would say 5 outfits right now, so this is the first one that I'm making. And it's pretty simple. I mean, this is me trimming the dress, and honestly, I wish that it could be so long. But you know what? You just gotta keep going and doing your thing, and that's what I'm doing. And honestly, it's been a long time coming. I feel like and here is just me